Imagine crafting something simple, yet incredibly profitable. It's woodworking, but with a modern twist. We're not talking about complex furniture. Think small, think practical, think high demand. This project uses minimal materials, maximizing your profit margin. Are you ready to unlock your creative potential? It's time to turn a simple hobby into a lucrative online business venture. Let's dive into the world of profitable woodworking projects that sell like crazy. Prepare to be amazed by the simplicity and profitability of this craft. First, consider the humble wooden phone stand. It's functional and stylish. People always need a place to prop up their phones, making it a constant seller. Next up, personalized wooden keychains. These are small, affordable, and highly customizable. Add names, dates, or quotes to create unique, sentimental gifts that customers love. Don't forget about wooden coasters. Protect surfaces in style with these simple creations. Engrave them with logos, patterns, or funny sayings for added appeal. Now, let's talk about the tools you'll need. Start with basic hand tools. A saw, chisel, and sandpaper are essential for shaping and smoothing your creations. Consider investing in a laser cutter for intricate designs and personalization. This will significantly expand your product range and appeal to a wider audience. Don't forget about safety gear. Protect yourself with gloves and eye protection. Your health is paramount, so always prioritize safety in your workshop. Now, let's talk about selling your creations. Online marketplaces are your best friend. Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Handmade are great platforms to reach a wide audience. High-quality photos are crucial. Showcase your products in the best light. Use natural lighting and a clean background to make your items stand out. Engage with your customers. Respond to inquiries promptly and provide excellent service. Happy customers are repeat customers, so build those relationships. Finally, let's talk about scaling your business. Invest profits back into your craft. Upgrade your tools, expand your workspace, and hire help as needed. Stay creative and innovative. Continuously explore new designs and techniques. The woodworking world is constantly evolving, so keep learning and adapting. With dedication and smart strategies, your woodworking business can thrive. So, grab your tools, get creative, and start crafting your path to success.